Hi friends, good afternoon and welcome to Edwin Global Chronicles. In this channel, we teach students how to write exam by themselves and also to be aware of what they are doing, not just writing exams, you know what you're doing. So briefly on the board, we have some questions on chemistry, JAMB likely questions on chemistry. So I want to take you through it. So the first one is this, we have the first question says, calculate the percentage by mass of nitrogen in calcium triiodide nitrate. And we are giving that calcium is equal to 40, nitrogen is equal to 14, and oxygen is equal to 16. And we have options here. We have 8.5%, 13.1%, 17.1%, 27.6%. So how do we calculate the percentage by mass of nitrogen in calcium triiodide nitrate? Right. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to write out the chemical formula for calcium triiodide nitrate. Now let's go. Some person actually write something like this: calcium triiodide nitrate. Something like this. They want to write something like this, but this is very wrong. Okay, it's not this. So the right chemical symbol for that is what formula for calcium triiodide nitrate is CaNO3 in bracket. This is the right chemical formula for calcium triiodide nitrate. Okay, so with this now I'm going to calculate the molar mass of calcium triiodide nitrate 5. So for us to calculate the molar mass, we're going to have calcium given to us here is equals to what? Let's express it mathematically. You have to express mathematically. Okay, so we have calcium is having just calcium is having 1 into nitrogen is going to have to write 2 atomicity of nitrogen here, that's 2N plus. Now oxygen is going to have 6, not 3, that's 3 times 2 here as well, because we want 6 atoms of oxygen. So what do? We have carbon given to us as 40 plus 2 into nitrogen given to us is what? 14, okay? Plus 6 into oxygen given to us here, 16, okay? So let's use our calculator. We have 40 here plus 2 times 14 is going to give us what? 14 times 2 will give us what? 28. Okay, plus 6 times 16. 6 times 16 will give us what? 96. Okay, so we're going to have the total of these 40 plus 28 plus 96 will give us what? 164. Okay, so this is the molar mass of calcium triiodide nitrate. Okay, so what we do is now to calculate the percentage by mass of nitrogen. First of all, we need to single out the mass of nitrogen in this question. So from this chemical formula, the mass of nitrogen here is going to be what? 2N. This 2N. So which is equivalent to what? 2 times 14. That's nitrogen here is given to us as 14. But in this question, that's in calcium triiodide nitrate, is what? Equals to 2 times 14 equals to what? 28. Okay, so this is the mass of nitrogen. Now to calculate the percentage by mass of nitrogen in calcium triiodide nitrate, what does it mean? The percentage is equal to what? The mass of nitrogen, okay, over the total molar mass. Total molar mass. That's the molar mass. Sorry. The molar mass of nitrogen over the total molar mass, okay, of calcium triiodide nitrate, of calcium triiodide nitrate, okay, times 100 over 1. So that is equivalent this question is what? 28, right? So 28 over the total molar mass is what? 164 times 100 all over 1. So we are going to have 28 times 100 will give us 2800 over 164. That is what? 2800 divided by 164 will give us 17.073. Okay? And please take note, most answers in chemistry has to be what? Has to be sent, or it's supposed to be in the 2 decimal places, okay? Now for us to get our answer, it's going to be what? 17 point, okay, with this 0.1%. And the options here we have 8.5%, 13.1%, 17.1%, 27.6%. So from this, our answer is equal to what? 17.1%. So C is our answer. Okay. The next question says an isotope has an atomic number of 15 and a mass number of 31. The number of protons it contains is what? Now simply what you need to do is to use what we call the nuclide. And this is how the nuclide looks like. You have A, you have Z, and X. So this S can represent any element. Where A stands for the mass number, A is equal to mass number. Then you have Z as the atomic number. Okay, so an atomic number simply means number of protons in what? A nucleus of an element. So from this question, we said an isotope has an atomic number of 15 and a mass number of 31. Now let's represent this nuclide. We said it has an atomic number of 15 and a mass number of 31. That is 31 into 15. This, okay? We said the number of protons it contains is, what it simply means is this. If you know the definition of mass number and the definition of atomic number, you just get the answer. So from our definition so far, atomic number is simply the number of what? Protons in the nucleus of an element. So therefore our answer here is what? C15. Okay?